Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to start our new chapter. The name of chapter is balanced diet. Balanced diet कहते हैं मतवाजन ग़िज़ा को. Balanced diet का मतलब है जो फूड हम ले रहे हैं उसमें न्यूट्रिएंट की बैलेंस क्वांटिटी हो. चैप्टर बैलेंस डाइट को पढ़ने के बाद आपको इतना तो जरूर पता चल जाएगा कि जो हम डेली बेसिस पर फूड लेते हैं या खाते हैं उसमें क्या क्या चीजें शामिल होती हैं. Firstly, we are going to discuss food group sources through which we can get food from this chapter. Now I'm sharing a short summary from this chapter. Let's start. Food is our one of basic need and we all need to food to live. Food helps us to grow healthy and strong. It gives us energy to think, work and play. Come on, let's learn about the sources of food. Plant and animals are two main sources of food. We get vegetables, grain, pulses and fruit from the plants. We get meat, milk, egg and fish from the animals. We should eat these in the right amount to stay healthy. Food groups. We can divide the food that we eat into four main groups. Energy giving food. Those food give energy to work and play. Some of energy giving food are grains like wheat and rice and food like sugar and chocolate. Bodybuilding food. These food help us to build our muscles and make our body strong. They also repair our body. Some of bodybuilding food are meat, fish, egg, milk, cheese, yogurt and butter. Protective food. Some food protect our body from the sick. Food like milk and yogurt need to keep our bones and teeth strong. Vitamin and fibers. Our body needs substances like vitamins and fiber for the energy and growth and the health. Vitamins protect us from the falling ill and keep us healthy. We can get vitamins from the milk, egg, fresh vegetables and fruits. We also need fibers in our food as it helps us to digest food properly. Grain, pulses, vegetables and fruit have a lot of fiber. Water is very important. We must drink plenty of water every day. We should also make sure water we drink
Thank you.